ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम कंट्रोल छूट गया है बहुत सारी चीजों से?
नहीं, ये रियलाइज हो गया कि कंट्रोल कभी था नहीं.
अच्छा, तो मतलब दिमाग में लग रहा था कि कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं, बट एक्चुअली कभी था नहीं.
सर एंथनी हॉपकिंस की एक लाइन है इन अ फिल्म
बताओ.
कॉल्ड द एनिमल और द इंस्टिंक्ट, आई फॉरगॉट, विद क्यूबा गोoding Jr., where he holds him. He's living with gorillas in the jungle, and he holds him, pins him down like a gorilla, and asks him, "What have you lost?" He keeps saying, "I've lost control. I've lost control. I've lost control." He does not leave him till he realizes that he's not lost control. He has just lost the illusion of.
क्या बात है, वेरी डीप.
You and I, in the beginning of this, couldn't even control this Zoom call.
इधर उधर इधर उधर कोशिश कर रहे हैं सब चीजें करने की.
Two very cool actors who know what to do in life can't bloody control a Zoom call.
And I was like, फोन पे कर लेते हैं यार, कोई टेंशन नहीं.
यार कभी कंट्रोल, आपको कंट्रोल देखना हो ना कितना खराब है. एक बिल्डिंग में देख लो, लोग जिम जाने के लिए कितना झगड़ रहे हो.
I completely agree with that. और I think
Yeah.
जितना मुझे ऐसा लगता है, जितना हम चीजों को कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश करते हैं, उतना हम उसके अंदर अटकते और फंसते चले जाते हैं, बिकॉज हम खुद को ही कैद कर लेते हैं.
सेल्फ वो है ना कि यार you feel much better assuming that you controlled a lot. Like it's like you and I saying कि नहीं हमने एक सीरियल अच्छा कर लिया ना, बस हो गया. You know, to make an impact or to like it or for others to like it, it's a constant cycle. You can't go to the gym 1 month in the whole year and say अब तो मैं fit हूँ, मैं 11 महीने नहीं जाऊंगा. It's a constant cycle.
रोजमर्रा की मेहनत.
Yeah.
उसके ऊपर constant काम करना है.
Your mind itself is a muscle, right? You have to keep training it in a certain way.
This is so nice. Wonderful. You have been a co-creator and co-writer with Simon as well.
Yes.
And I'm very happy to read about it. I didn't know much about it. The Sparkplug Ideas, the company. And you have this show which is called The End, which is with which is with Akshay Kumar. About this creative collaboration with Simon. Simon, how do you pronounce his name, yaar? Unka naam kaise?
Simon Quadras.
Simon Quadras.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sai and me have been friends for I think 20 years now.
Okay.
Much before where we were actors. I was an actor, he was a writer. We've done an event management course together. We worked with Umang Kumar, the set designer, and now the filmmaker. We've assisted him and worked with him for 1 year. We've put up sets with. So we go a very long way back. We both used to live in Mira Road, and we used to take a common bus to go to Umang's office. Okay. And Simon was the only one who had a small mobile phone. Snake खेलना बड़ा पसंद था, तो हम दोनों ना कंपटीशन में एक लेके स्नेक खेला करते थे, और फिर दोनों ऐसे कोशिश करके उसमें रिफिल डाला करते थे ताकि अपनी अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड से बातें कर लें. तो nice. So we go back a really long way, and that time also I remember we used to keep discussing ideas and stories and movies and scripts and scenes. ये देखा वो देखा, तब वो DVDs मिला करती थी 7-in-1, 20-in-1, 15-in-1. So when Sai became a writer and I became an actor, we had thought of this long time back.
मुझे एक चीज जरूर पूछनी है before we wrap up कि I'm sure works makes you happy, लेकिन कभी-कभी कोई ऐसा वक्त भी था जब लगा कि नहीं यार काम तो कर रहे हैं लेकिन वो खुशी नहीं मिल रही है इसके अंदर?
बहुत कम, very rare. Very rare. I'm a very clear human being that way. If sometimes I feel that I cannot do, my reflection of work is not falling correct, it is influencing the work people, the work in a bad way, I'm the first one to go and tell the maker कि आप एक काम करो, आप मुझे निकाल दो, क्योंकि मैं जो कर रहा हूँ वो सही नहीं है. I just try to be more mindful about it from a different perspective. And ऐसा बहुत कम होता है मेरे साथ, बहुत कम, क्योंकि I generally don't get into things half-heartedly. And I do not get into it for any reason not convincing to me.
How nice is that? Wonderful, yaar. Thank you so much. I had a beautiful time and it was really, really enriching and so much to learn and so much to unlearn. हर इंसान अपना एक नजरिया लेकर आता है and it is always such a pleasure to know उसका perspective क्या है, किस नजरिए से, किस चश्मे से वो जिंदगी को देख रहा है, and maybe we can adapt and understand and you know enrich ourselves.
That's totally true. Like looking at you, I sometimes also see the way you work and the way you think, and you've been an extremely balanced human being, and I say that as a compliment.
Thank you.
Because balance is everything, right? है ना, संतुलन ही जीवन है.
सही बात.
तो and एक balanced human being एक calm energy से ना वो एक प्रोत्साहन मिलता है कि नहीं यार देखो, मैं हिमांशु को देखो, हिमांशु भी ऐसा कर सकता है, या इसको देखो ये भी ऐसा कर सकता है. So those pointers become correct in your life, and you've been very, very steady. You've been rock steady, and I wish you the best. I hope you keep going like this. I hope you make this bigger and bigger, and you buy Zoom.
Thank you. That's
We have
very,
no
very kind.
portal, so we have no mic issues.
Thank you. That is very, very kind of you. Thanks a ton once again. And let's hope to meet you soon in person. Apart from this Zoom calls and
Sure.
everything would be really nice.
Sure.
But thanks a ton, brother. Thank you so
Sure,
much.
buddy.